All right, what do we got today? Leg length discrepancy.
Hi, Owen.
You see a lot of videos like this, and they can be very misleading. 50% of people actually have a subtle leg length discrepancy. It becomes a big issue when the discrepancy is more than 2 centimeters. That's when it can affect your quality of life, your function. Maybe you need a heel lift. In very severe cases, we'll do a leg lengthening procedure. But you can't correct leg length through a simple manipulation. You can see here he's popping the joints. That just pops the fluid in the joints. The joint goes right back to the normal spot. The discrepancy is from one of two things. One, the bone is either longer or shorter, or the pelvis is tilted, or the spine could be crooked, like scoliosis. Manipulations like this, not going to make it easy.